A is for accomplishment, as in feeling a strong sense of. Good evening, or good morning, or good afternoon, depending on where and when you may be viewing this. Just sharing that 2 of the lines of track that were out of service are now back in service after a bit of cleaning up of the wiring. We now have a freight train pulled by a GG-1 Lionel MPC early 1980s era electric engine, and on the outer loop an Amtrak train. And in the back we've got a variety of things. The Trippy Trolley by Lionel. We've got a Galloping Goose by MTH Trains. And then a Santa Fe mashup of Menard's F3 engines and the Lionel Santa Fe Super Chief set. So enjoy. And in addition to accomplishment, there's something to be said for change. It can be hard sometimes as well, but in this case, you may recall from some of my other videos, there used to be a big mountain here that had 2 tunnels, basically, through which the outer loop and the back loop traveled through which they traveled, I suppose you'd say. And I asked my 5-year-old son today, should we keep it or should we put it in the storage room for now to see what it looks like? And he went with the, let's put it away. And I love it. There's a lot more, I guess, train action that was being blocked from view just by the mountain being there. So I guess the moral of today's video is accomplishment and change are good things. I thank you.